In the evolving landscape of design, empathy, AI, and planetary boundaries are reshaping how we approach human-centered design. This transformation automates mundane tasks, addresses global sustainability mandates, and elevates designers to strategic curators. Innovation has undergone a significant transformation from the 1950s to the present. Starting with human-centered engineering at Stanford, it evolved through art and science integration in the 1980s and 1990s, leading to a paradigm leap that emphasizes design thinking and organizational processes. Human-centered design revolves around 5 key principles: empathize to deeply understand users, define the problem clearly, ideate with wide-ranging solutions, prototype tangible representations, and test with real users to refine the design. In Holstebro, Denmark, malnutrition among elders in assisted living reached critical levels. The original mandate was simple, but the empathy deficit led to a narrow focus, highlighting the need for a deeper understanding of the crisis. Ethnographic discovery revealed profound emotional disconnects in meal preparation and delivery for seniors and workers. Both groups experienced friction, emphasizing the importance of understanding unarticulated needs in design. By shifting the kitchen staff's roles and introducing modular meals, engagement increased by 500% in the first week. This solution renewed professional pride and autonomy, showcasing the power of effective prototyping. AI is set to revolutionize design by enhancing prototyping, personalizing interfaces, and automating accessibility. These advancements promise significant business impact and production readiness, positioning AI as a critical force multiplier. The Augmented Designer's Toolkit includes generative models for ideation, structural automation for layout assistance, and AI evaluation for pinpointing friction points. These tools streamline design processes and enhance creativity. As AI becomes integral to design, the role of designers shifts from creators to strategists and guides. By 2028, AI will handle execution, allowing designers to focus on empathy, creative vision, and ethical judgment. Circular design principles are crucial for sustainability, with global standards, easy disassembly, circular business models, and bio-based materials driving environmental impact reduction. These elements are essential for future design strategies. Digital LCAs are revolutionizing industries like fashion by automating data collection and integrating assessments into design phases. This transformation leads to significant reductions in emissions and boosts eco-conscious customer retention. Designing for disassembly is mandated by new laws, requiring products to be repairable and recyclable. This shift involves replacing permanent adhesives with mechanical fasteners, significantly improving component recovery at end of life. Ethical AI frameworks address algorithmic bias, data privacy, and automated accessibility. Designers must ensure diverse user testing and transparent data practices, emphasizing that ethical responsibility lies with the designer, not the tool. To future-proof design careers, professionals must conduct skills gap analyses, evolve mid-level roles, and embrace strategic leadership. This approach ensures adaptability to emerging trends like AI literacy and sustainability strategy. Empathy remains the cornerstone of great design, guiding technology to understand how people live and feel. While AI provides execution and scale, human-centered empathy ensures that design remains strategic and impactful.